How will you feel if I let you know that there is an opportunity that will enable you to move to Europe with your family without a degree? With this opportunity, there is no age limit. The only thing you need to do is that you must be 18 years of age. This is an opportunity many of you have been waiting for. And guess what? This is an opportunity that will enable you to transition into tech. Dear says, in today's video, I am bringing to you the opportunity a lot of you have been longing for. Many of you have been waiting to switch into tech. Get a free training that will enable you to be a certified tech. When I am talking about being a certified IT professional, it covers different fields of IT professionalism, which I will be sharing you in my screen. Besties, this opportunity is a vocational education. It is 100% free. This opportunity is starting in September of 2024. So I will be guiding you through the step-by-step application on how you can move to this European country with this opportunity. Before I go into this, I want to remind you this. Moving abroad is not as difficult as many of you think it is. The only thing you need is legit information and then the willingness, the hunger for success, the proactiveness, and the confidence to keep pushing till you get your desired results. And in today's video, this is me again trying to remind you that in 2024, you are going to show your positive evidence. Do not forget our slogan, I, Ada Kings, will show my positive evidence in 2024. Type that with your name in the comment section. Dear besties, welcome back to another amazing content from Mama Positivity. Guys, if you are joining us for the first time, I am Ada Kings, popularly called Mama Positivity on the streets of YT. I welcome you all to the Positivity Gang. In this family, we share lots of positive energy, and I know you will want to be such part of such amazing family. Do well to smash that subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications so that each time I drop an amazing content like this one, you will be the first to get notified. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I love you, besties. So guys, you might also want to smash that like button if you gain value from this content. It is a way of saying thank you to Mama Positivity for a job well done. And do not forget, we rise by lifting others. Share this video so that you will bless a lot of people out there that will gain from this amazing content. So besties, let us proceed. In today's video, I bring to you an amazing opportunity to move to Austria. Austria is a country in Europe. This opportunity is also a vocational education. With this opportunity, you don't need any English language proficiency. No IELTS is needed. There is no age limit. There is no school fees. In fact, everything is like you will see it on my screen. And the good news is you are allowed to come with your dependents on this opportunity. How does this work? This company is called 42 Vienna. They are a tech training company in Austria. They will bring international applicants from all over the world, bring them together and train them in tech for good 1 year. And after being trained, you will be getting your desired job in tech. Do you know the good thing? There are different aspects to this tech training, of which you can choose the one that your brain can be able to carry. I will be taking you to my screen and show you the step-by-step application process. Before I do that, those of you in our Finland vocational group, we will be doing this with you for free. I will show you the application step, which the number one is to write a gaming exam. Yes, those of you in our Finland class, we have the opportunity for us to do this together as a team. and you will know how to go about your own. If you are yet to join our Finland vocational group, please do well to join that group. You will not regret being part of that family. That group is not just about Finland, any country at all. Free education, we are doing it in that group. So far you are a member of that group, be rest assured that every application that has to do with free vocational studies, you will be getting the opportunity for us to help you with the application process. Those of them in the Finland group can testify to the good work we are doing in that family. Yes, it is my secret 101 group. So if you are still contemplating whether to join that team, go straight to the email on the screen at thatkingscanadatravel@gmail.com. Please, it is not free. It comes with a token, but that token is worth it. So, besties, join the team if you want to participate in anything vocational education all over the world, right? This one is also not left out. You will be in the same team. Send us an email. It is not free. If you know you are looking for a free group, please don't send me an email. It is not free. You will be added to that group, and we will also do this application together. So, besties, I will show you the step by step on how to do this application on my screen. The email remains athatkingscanadatravel@gmail.com. Besties, before I go into my screen, I want you to watch this 2 minutes video and see things for yourself. Let's see this video, besties.
Discover 42, the computer programming school made for you. 42 is designed to make sure that the world of IT is accessible to everyone. Since 2013, 42 has offered an open and tuition-free curriculum based on excellence, resulting in long-term employment to create the digital world of tomorrow. The training curriculum starts from scratch. You don't need any diploma or know how to code. There are no teachers and no classes at 42. You work on projects that challenge you to find your own concrete solutions. You can access the campus 24/7 to experience 42 at your own pace. To progress, you have to talk with your peers, discover different solutions together, and even evaluate other people's projects. Coming to 42 means taking the lead in your training and learning how to learn. In the Common Core of 42, you learn the foundations of programming. It also allows you to develop those human skills that are indispensable for the workplace. Then, you can choose what to specialise in and the pace you want to work. At 42, we believe that anyone can learn to code and make a career of it. We reject stereotypes of any kind and welcome applications from candidates who may be unconventional or who want to retrain. The selection process involves 3 steps. Step 1, online games. Step 2, the introduction meeting. Step 3, the piscine. The piscine is a 4-week-long immersion in coding and 42's learning methods. The 42 piscine is an unforgettable experience to test your motivation and develop your full potential. Joining 42 after the piscine means joining the largest network of computer schools in the world. During your journey at 42, you can even choose to study in another campus anywhere in the world. 100% of our students enter the global job market. You know the question? We have the answer. 42. Find us on our website.
All right, guys, the video is well explanatory. By now, you have heard everything from the horse's mouth. This is not coming from my positivity. At this junction, let me take you to my screen and show you the step-by-step application procedure. Yes, you can do these applications yourself. If you want to join the team, be part of my family, be part of the Secrets 101 group, send us an email at thatkingscanadatravel@gmail.com. Let's go. Yes, we are currently on my screen. As you can see on my screen, it said 42 is an international renowned programming school which uses the revolutionary approach of peer learning with no degree requirement. It targets anyone above 18 years old with an ICT talent. 42 is a school with no teachers, no lectures, no fees, only 100% coding, right? So guys, you can see the application date. So next up, open days is on 25th April, Vienna, Piscine selection, the boot camps is starting from 3rd June to 28th June, and the next one is starting from 8th July to 2nd August. And the studies will start in September of 2024. Watch and to the end. I will still explain something for you. So with Vienna, you have peer learning. You learn programming by collaborating with other students. Having no teachers means that projects are evaluated through peer review. Project-based learning, learn by doing the curriculum. Real-world skills, right? Gamification, 247 access to campus and all that. So guys, this is the application method. To join Vienna 42 as a student, here are 3 important steps in the admission process. One, you have online logic games. It lasts for 2 hours. Play 2 logic games that show us if you're eligible for becoming a 42 student. So those of you in my class who will be playing this game together. All right. The second step is introduction meeting, which will last for 1 hour. So you people will meet online or on campus where we explain the program in detail. The third one is the piscine, which is the duration of 4 weeks. So that's 1 month. So they are going to send you an invitation letter to come to Austria for this piscine. So after the 4 week selection boot camp, you will be there in Austria, and they believe that you are eligible, you can do this. Then they will give you your offer letter, and you will now start school in September. So if you are going for this, you will be going to Austria by July to August. By July 2nd, it's starting in July. I will advise you to go for the one of July 2nd. There's one that will start in June. But international students go for the one of July 2nd for the piscine so that you will be selected. Is life after Vienna. This is what happens. So after this program, they say 80% of their students are offered a role after their first internship. There will be an internship. What is internship? You will be sent to leading tech companies to go and do a hands on the job opportunity, how to do the tech jobs and all that. And they say after internship, 80% of their students got the job. Students get 3 job proposals on average during their studies. While you are still studying, companies are rushing after you to give you a job in tech. Final projects build you a strong portfolio of problems that companies need solved, whatever the industry sector is. All right. So, guys, now let us go to career paths. Now, look at the career paths they have. Infrastructure management, with your technical know-how, you are also suited to become a system and network administrator who deals with securing operational systems, networks, and clouds. So, network architect and network administrator. For a software engineer, if that is where you want to base, you will work on mobile app developer, game developer, and web developer. Now, the next job opportunity for you is UI stroke UX designer. So these are all the things you learn. The next one is entrepreneurship, and that is project manager, data analyst, CTO, and founder. Guys, all these are the jobs you will be getting when you are done with this program. You will be trained on all this program, internships and jobs. I will give you opportunity to take your time and read this link and understand it in details. So guys, this is the how to apply. So just come here and click on apply now. Here is this how it looks like. All right. So you click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, look at the steps. Welcome to the site dedicated to candidates, hosted and managed by Association 42. Here is how to apply. Fill out your details and confirm your email. Once you successfully apply, guys, they will send you the link to play your game. Play 2 games. You need a computer to complete this step. We do not recommend doing it on mobile. So, guys, for you to play this game, you'll be doing that on a computer. Meet us in one of our introduction meetings. So, guys, once you pass that game, you will get the next email giving you link for the 1 hour introduction meeting. After that meeting, the thing is, once you pass that game, you are going. After the meeting, they will now send you invitation letter in your country to come to Austria for the PSIN. And after the PSIN, you will become a student. Good luck. That is it. All right. Now, this is it. Sign up. Your email. You put your email, you put your password, you confirm your password, you read, I have read, you tick that button and you sign up. So, guys, when you do that, you will start filling your details. All right. So guys, I just successfully created an account, and then the next thing you will do is once you create an account, they will send you an email first to confirm your email. Once you confirm, you come and sign in and you start filling this form. First name, last name, gender, birthday, country. You fill the country you are coming from and you click on next. So guys, that is basically it. Once you finish filling the form, you sign up, they will send you a link to play your 2 hours game, and you will be playing this game with your laptop. So this is it. So just fill the form, play the game. Once you pass the game, that's it. You will get an email inviting you for the 1 hour meeting. After the meeting, to introduce you to what it is all about. Once you pass that game, they are taking you. There is no extra interview, nothing else, just for you to pass that game, and it is a logic game. That's what it entails. So guys, once you pass, you come to the meeting, they explain everything to you, tell you how you are going to start your visa application. They will send you an invitation letter inviting you to Austria for the PSIN. The PSIN is a 1 month program to get you into the process of coding and IT. After that PSIN, you will now start school proper in September of 2024. Besties, if you are joining my team, we are going to do this game together. We will practice this game together. If you really want to practice with us as a team, everybody will be in the group, bring like minds together. You see how it is done. We solve the solutions together. It will also help you. Remember, this is not free. You will join the same group with everybody in the Finland group, because those in the Finland group, we are doing this thing for free for them. They are already in the group. They will be partaking in NSC vocational studies, not only in Finland, but in the whole world. Any free vocational education, Luxembourg, any country. So far you are in that family, you will be getting it at no cost. We will prepare you at no cost to do all these things. That is the more reason you should join that team. You will not regret it. Besties, if you are watching this video and you are in the Finland group, comment your experience in the comment section. Remember, it is not free. You pay a token for it. Send an email, adakinscanadatravel@gmail.com. Also remember, I am not on Telegram as Adakins. I will never give out my account information on Telegram or Instagram. I will always send you to send me a DM on that official email. Remember, you must not be in my team to try this opportunity. The link to this application is down there in the description box. Click it and get started on your own. But if you believe you need support, you need to be in a team of like-minded people that are serious to move their future to the next level, that are serious to leave the comfort of where they are to another country, then you are welcome to my team. It is not by force. It is not a must. It is choice. So I believe we are all adults. If you want to join the team, go ahead and do that. And I promise you, you will not regret being in that family. Thank you, besties, for watching this video. I wish you guys the very best of luck if you are trying this opportunity. I will see you guys in our next video coming up on Tuesday by 5 p.m. British time. Do not miss that one for anything. Something different is cooking. I will see you guys, besties. For now, bye.